Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix GCash app not working on your iPhone, where there can be various reasons for it. So the first thing that you have to check is, of course, your internet connection. So if you are currently using your Wi-Fi, you have to now switch for the cellular data and see if it's working. Or you can either simply scroll down, then you can turn on your airplane mode for a few minutes and then turn it off again. And like that, your network will be reset, and then you can simply open the GCash application and see if it's working. So if that did not work, the another thing might be because you are using some kind of VPN. So if you scroll down again through your control panel, here if you tap on this icon right here, you can see currently VPN is right here. All you have to do is tap on it and then turn off your VPN if this VPN is turned on. Then you can try to open the application and see if it's working. So if it's still not working, then the next thing might be because there is any kind of update requirement. So you can simply open your App Store application and then you can get to the search page and then tap on the search bar and search for GCash. So after searching for GCash, here you can see this is the application. Tap on it. Currently, there is the open option. So if there were any kind of update requirement, there will be the option of update. All you have to do is tap on update. And like that, you'll be able to update your GCash. And then you can now open your application and see if it's working. If it's still not working, the final thing that you can do is simply offload the application. So go back and simply open your settings. Then from settings, tap on general. Then you can get the option of iPhone storage, tap on it. And then from here, if you scroll down, you'll get all of the applications on your iPhone. So if you tap on the show all option, all of the application will show. And then from here, you can find GCash just like this, tap on it, and then tap on offload app. Tap on offload app one more time. And within few seconds, here you can see we have successfully offloaded the application. Now tap on reinstall app and reinstall this application one more time. So here you can see we have now successfully reinstalled this application on our phone. Now you can go back and simply open the application and see if it's working. Hopefully these steps worked for you guys. And that is it. I hope these tips work for you guys. See you in the next.